World population is increasing at an alarming rate compared to food growth. Unfortunately, it is not a matter of just growing more crops to combat this crisis. Factors such as small landholdings that have a smaller yield and climate change are also responsible for the inverse relation between consumers and food grown. Unanticipated rainfalls, heat waves, and climate change are due to global warming, which creates unfavorable weather conditions for farming, leading to a drop in food growth. SAWI has come up with a smart solution to help address climate change challenges through providing an unbiased farm advisory service. This covers soil, water, and crop management solutions that use the satellite Earth observation data with computational modeling. The SAWI tools of crop health and growth monitoring enable farmers to access real-time information, applying inputs at an appropriate time and crop stage. SAWI offers a longer-term seasonal weather forecast using a dynamics downscaling approach that will be further assimilated into crop models to provide early warnings to the farmers on applications of inputs for crops, keeping in view the weather conditions. The SAWI platform will be available in the shape of a smartphone app, a web-based application. We have also developed a mechanism to deliver messages in different formats, audio and video alert. The user needs to add their farm location and crop type to receive advice and alerts. The SAWI platform offers decision support tools, comparing scenarios for better managing crops, and a knowledge hub full of information to end users, farmers, extension agents, supply chain partners, helping insurance and finance industry to reduce their risk of losing investments. SAWI aims to improve the environmental benefits of managing crops and enhance farmers' income globally. SAWI has partnered with prestigious universities and research institutes in the UK and other partner countries to access state-of-the-art knowledge about the sector. For more details, please visit www.swie.info or follow up on Facebook and Twitter.